What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at one of the biggest releases of the year, the Air Jordan 5 Reimagined Black Metallic. This classic gets a fresh twist, and we are about to find out if Jordan Brand did it justice or if they just played it safe. Let's go. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick history lesson. The OG Black Metallic 5s dropped back in 1990, designed by the legendary Tinker Hatfield. Inspired by fighter jets, the AJ5 was all about speed, aggression, and of course that signature reflective tongue. Over the years, we've seen a few retros, but this reimagined version may be the best to date. Now let's talk details. First off, you have this smooth nubuck upper. You still get the classic clear mesh panels on the sides, but here's where the reimagined part kicks in. You now have 3M reflective lining around the shoe. You still get the icy bottom and the signature reflective tongue with the iconic Nike Air branding on the back of the heel. Clean, simple, but still a statement. Now let's talk styling. The Black Metallic 5s are versatile, but that bulky silhouette means you gotta balance your fit right. Joggers, cargos, or stacked denim work best. Try to keep the colors neutral or go all black for that stealth vibe. Want to go bold? Throw on a vintage Jordan tee and you're good to go. So let's talk pricing. The Black Metallic 5s retail for $210. Not exactly cheap, but hey, it's a Jordan 5. Now the big question, what is resale? Right now, pairs are hovering around the $300 mark. I expect prices to stay around this range due to limited stock. Prices may climb a little in the future, so if you're looking to cop, now is the time. So, is the Air Jordan 5 Reimagined Black a must cop? If you love classic Jordans with a modern twist, this one's a no-brainer. The premium nubuck, vintage vibes, and timeless colorway make this a standout. But if you're not a fan of Jordan 5s, you might want to pass on this one. Either way, let me know below in the comments. Are you copping or dropping? So until the next video, family, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe for more heat, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.